Next step we do is apply mascara. Any mascara. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is get ready with me. I was just getting ready and I thought why not shoot it for you guys. Just a quick glam, nothing too fancy. I'm just going out for dinner, family dinner in fact. So let's show you what I do when I go out. Nothing too fancy, we're gonna keep it simple and let's get started. So as you can see, I've already prepped my face. I've got my base down. I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and by the way I'm using a NYX eyebrow pencil. The reason why we do eyebrows and this takes up most of the time is because eyebrows really frame your face. It's really important to take your time. By the way, I hate doing eyebrows, it takes up a lot of time. Other thing I like using is a NYX tinted, what is it called? A NYX tinted brow mascara. It also helps set your eyebrows in place so it doesn't go anywhere. You may think the eyebrows are looking really dark right now, but don't worry. Once you're finished doing the rest of the face, your eyebrows will blend in perfectly with the face. Once you're done with the eyebrows, we're going to clean it up, and I'm going to use a NYX concealer. You can use any concealer that you have on hand. Pick it up a little on a brush, and we're going to clean up the eyebrows. It'll just define your eyebrows even more. It'll make it look cleaner, sharper. And that is done for now. If I need to touch it up a little bit more, we'll come back to it. Now we're gonna do a little bit of an eyeshadow just to define the eyelids a little bit more. I'm not going to do anything fancy. I will just pick up a bronzer, any bronzer or any brown shade that you like. This is just a bronzer. I'm going to pick it up and just define my crease just so it doesn't look all bland. And you can even see it makes a lot of difference if you have a little bit of a color on your eyelid. And you can even bring it down to your entire lid. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference from this eye to this eye. This eye looks a little bit more defined. I'll do the same thing on this eye. Define the crease. Just so it doesn't look all bland. can just go slowly back and forth, and that's it. I like to define my eyes with the eyeliner, so I will be doing a winged liner, and I love using the Inglot gel liner. This is in shade 77. This is super jet black, and this is waterproof. It will not go anywhere at all unless you take it off by the end of the day or the night with a waterproof micellar water or eye makeup remover. You need to sit back and see if both your eyes are even. Doesn't look even to me. It's really not easy to sit down and do your eyeliner. At least not for me. Next step we do is apply mascara. Any mascara that you like. Also, a great tip during the hot, humid weather is to have waterproof makeup. Waterproof eyeliner, waterproof mascara. It'll not, otherwise you'll have raccoon eyes is what you call them. You'll have your black black mascara and eyeliner smudged under the eye area. Trust me, that doesn't look pretty at all. Just going to apply some kajal. This is by Maybelline. We're done for the eyes for now. It's going to bronze up the face really quickly, otherwise it looks all bland and uneven. Just take the bronzer and any big brush. I'm taking a big fan brush because it's just a lot easier with this. I don't need to do my forehead because I already have a short forehead. But please don't forget your nose. Just a little something something. The same bronzer. I'm not contouring. Don't leave your nose alone. Otherwise it looks really odd. Just a little touch. Nothing much. I have my custom made palette here which I'm going to use. Also, a very important step is to clean up your cheek area. So you can take any brightening powder, and you know how you have that chiseled cheek. I'll show you how to do that. Even your setting powder will do. Apply it underneath. You can still see my dark spots and pigmentations. It's because I've not put a foundation on. I'm just wearing my concealer, a little bit of a powder. We're going to highlight the face really quickly. Just the high points of the cheeks. Sides of the top of the forehead on the side. A little on top of the nose. I'm going to be wearing a matte lipstick. It's called Relentlessly Red. And that is it. And now a little bit of a setting spray. And that is it, and we're done. And that is it. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.